Curiosity captured the imagination of millions. Its first tentative steps on Mars marked an exploration milestone, but back in Earth's atmosphere, Mines robotics researcher Larry Pyatt says it's only the beginning.
Our main research areas currently are in outdoor robotics. We are developing systems to explore the Black Hills and build maps as they go. Our long-term goal is to develop systems that can assist in forest firefighting and exploration of planets. We're also working in underwater systems. We have some mines here in the Black Hills that have been flooded with water, and the goal is to send robotic explorers down into those mine shafts and have them explore and map out the shafts and look for extremophiles. These are organisms that live in unusual circumstances.
Pyatt says robotics is Mine's next big hit, likening its potential to the computer boom of the 80s and 90s. In this era of mass automation, mobile robotics will be used in everything from manufacturing to subway lines.
Yeah, basically when it comes to robotics, being able to do vision tasks really well is somewhat of the holy grail. Yes, a big way in which people interact with the environment is through vision. It's how we accomplish a lot of the different tasks. And so, for instance, working on the assembly line, inspecting pieces, making sure that the pieces are okay is something typically done through some vision system. And so that's something that this could be used for. And then also just, as I mentioned, mobile robots trying to navigate through an environment, through a building, for instance.
But it's not just Mines technology that is on the cutting edge. Professor Antoinette Logar says its graduate students are cutting out the competition, too.
When students come back after they've been out in industry or after they've finished, say, a PhD, and come back and tell me that they had a great foundation to go on, that is just so rewarding. When I hear someone come and say, I was in an interview with people from MIT and Stanford, and I want you to know I got the job. You guys did a great job preparing me, and boy, that's about as satisfying as it gets.
This recipe for success, however, is equal parts personality and preparation.
We are a hands-on, project-driven, industry-oriented program. So if you like to do things, if you want to get in there and make it work yourself, rather than watching somebody else do it or listening to somebody else tell you how to do it, then this is a program that you really ought to look at.
And just maybe, that next mission to Mars will come from one of Mine's own.